Hey guys, what's going on? Right now I'm putting together Mike's 383 small block Chevy build, and I have this pretty awesome Canton oil pan from Canton Racing, and it's pretty sweet, and it's an 8-quart pan. The part number is 13-100. Alright, so here's this Canton Racing oil pan. It's got a scraper, it's got a screen, and it's got a trap door down here. So that's for when you slam on the brakes, all the oil doesn't go to the front of the motor, away from the pickup, which is at the back on a small block Chevy like this. It's really nicely put together, like all the welds look super nice, and it's an 8-quart pan, so it has the kickouts on both sides. This is the pre-80 pan, so it has the dipstick on the driver's side. Overall, it's just a really nice pan. And with a motor like this, it's definitely going to make a lot more power than a stock one, which I'm sure you guys know from like Engine Masters and other dyno shows like that. We also have a Canton pickup to match it, which goes with this pan. And it's a really nice pickup. And all you need to do before you put the pan on, I always do on all my builds, I check the clearance with the gasket underneath it, and I check the clearance and I make sure the pickup isn't too high or too low. After that, if that's all good, then I clean all the surfaces for the gasket. So this is the RTV I use. It's a Permatex Ultra Black. I've had good luck with it. It always works for me. So I just kind of make a little puddle in the corners. Timing cover, and then on the back. You have the RTV in the 4 corners. I always clean the oil pan with usually a brake clean and a clean rag. They're a rubber 1-piece gasket. I use them on small blocks and big blocks. And they have this little like metal spacer in it, so you can't over tighten them. I've had really good luck with them, so that's what I would recommend if I was building a motor. But yeah, they're pretty simple. You know, they just go on just like that. After you have your gasket on, just set the pan on, or just get them all started first, and you'll be good to go.